What's going on YouTube? This is Tyrone Trinity, the Diesel Soldier, and today I will give you guys an in-depth look comparing the Tekton folding ratchet to the Snapon Flexhead ratchet, stubby Flexhead ratchet, and the SK stubby ratchet. So when you look at this two right here, there's not much of a difference but the anvil. Actually, there's no difference at all. And the price of this is $35, and it doesn't matter if it's a locking anvil or it's a non-locking anvil. And this is a specialty ratchet, not a everyday ratchet you're gonna use like daily. You might have to, it depends on the job, but this is not gonna be your go-to ratchet. All this for right here is not going to be your go-to ratchet. This is a specialty ratchet, so that meant you don't really have to buy this if you're, this is your day one or your first week at your job. This is one of those ratchets that will help a job get it done quicker and faster, especially on those complicated places that cannot be reached with a wobble, an extension, or a regular ratchet. And you can see, and I already showed this on my first look, this is how it fits in my hand. And with a ratchet, which is the most common socket, is a 10mm Snap-on socket. Not the most popular brand, but not the most popular brand out there, but it is the most popular brand. What am I talking about? But it is the most popular size out there. And with the socket there, and that's how it sounds like when it's on its tightening mode. And see that, still the same. And I believe this is 90 tooth, and that's what they're claiming. And with the non-locking anvil, and there you go, still the same. Okay, see, what I hate about the Snap-on sockets is that they're really hard to get it out, even with the non-locking anvil. And if you look at this is the Snap-on on Snap-on. Uh-oh. Hard to get it in there, but this is how it looks in my hand, comparing it to the folding ratchet right there. You got it at that. See, the difference is about an inch, but when you unfold it, it looks about the same. And here is the SK ratchet, and this is the Snap-on ratchet. Here's the Tekton ratchet, folding ratchet, comparing it to the SK to the folding one. This is how it looks. And of all these three, the one that sounds the roughest is the SK. So if you want to hear that, oh my god, that sounds like there's no oil in there. Or I don't know if that's supposed to sound like that, but I do not like it. Whew, that sounds rough. Look at that. If you listen to the Snap-on, you can tell this is what you're paying for the Snap-on right here. This is 80 tooth right here. Look how smooth that is. Oh my god, look at that. If you guys can't hear that, that's how smooth it is. Compare that to SK again. Goodness gracious. This is the P90, guys. This is the P90 SK ratchet. And this is the Tekton. And that on off mode. And The only difference of, well, the actual big difference of this 3 ratchet is that with the price of the SK tool, you can buy 2 of these, right? With the price of the Snapon Flexhead, the Snapon Flexhead stubby ratchet, you can buy 3 folding ratchets. This is about 110, of course, with no tax, but with tax, that's going to be around 100, 115, depends on where you are. But I guess that if you are buying this, you are paying for the premium and the brand name, and also this smooth tooth right here. Those are smooth teeth. But with the Tekton, this is 30 bucks with a student discount. Without the student discount, it's 35. With the price of this, you can buy 3 folding ratchets. And this one right here is unopened yet. I am giving away this folding ratchet, and for the price of your reason. And how are you going to use a folding ratchet? It doesn't matter what industry you're on. Let me know why and how you're going to use this folding ratchet. If I feel like your valid reason is good enough for me to send you this, no problem at all. I will go to the post office and send you a set of Tekton folding ratchet right here. Took out my address, of course, but this is going to be my first giveaway, showing my anniversary as a YouTuber. This is my first year as a YouTuber, and my first videos. It's just my introduction on being a diesel student, and this is my appreciation to all my subscribers or future subscribers. So if you guys are interested on having one of these, just DM me, add me on my Instagram, DM me on how you're going to use and why, what you want one of these. Alright, so again, this is Tyrone Trinity, the Diesel Soldier, letting you guys know that knowledge is a tool. Use it wisely. We out. Peace.